Yeah.
It's Papa.
Gotta make this quick. Gotta make it stick.
I have to do the 13 and minus family. I don't know the minus.
Use your fingers.
Life is about figuring things out.
That's what your brain is for. Unless you're an animal. Like the bird in my room. Oh my
What's wrong
God.
with that bird? It's probably
Oh my
hungry again.
God. Oh, that was such a gross thing for me to actually spit into a bird's mouth. I can't believe I was doing it outside. I'm glad I wasn't in Hartford so people could drive by and they'd probably shoot me in the head. Just dummy. She spit on a bird. What's wrong with her? Because I'm like on this side, me and Jaden are on the side of the road with the bird going. And the little hungry ass bird like.
I can't believe you fed it chicken. That is so cannibalistic.
Chicken is meat. Birds are cannibals. They eat our trash. They eat our burgers. They eat our Wendy's. We leave Wendy's. The birds be eating it. No, they eat meat. He needs to grow. Where do you think he's going to get his brain cells from if he don't have no meat fat? I should have Googled that, though. I didn't know what else to feed him. He went right to sleep, though. He knocked out. I have a bird baby.
He's cute.
So it's cute. I think that was Robin.
Yeah, he breathed like this. That's how I knew he was alive, because I came downstairs and I was looking out the window and I just seen him on his back just going like this. I was like, he's still alive. This is what he was doing.
Like it, arr, arr, arr.
No, it was just laying. I thought it was dead because it was just laying like this, but his stomach was. So that's how I knew it was alive.
That's crazy.
And then
Poor
when
bird.
you do it,
Hey, you didn't even finish with your homework yet.
I know,
How are you going to be smart? How are you going to get a girlfriend? How are you going to get a car if you don't do your homework? You're never going to get a car. You're going to be taking the bus for the rest of your life. Is that what you want to do? Do you want to take the bus for the rest of your life?
You have to do homework.
Then you have to do your homework so you can become smart. So you can drive mommy around in a Porsche. So I can laugh at all those guys that didn't want to date me while they're on the bus.
The rules are exempted, but it is redemptive. A formula for rich your life. So much to say, hey, so little time. Definitely tunable, original.
Oh,
I
it's
told
hungry.
you.
It's hungry.
I'll put it in your mouth.
I keep missing. Woo! It's like a game. It's like the ultimate game.
He's still hungry.
I guess he's not hungry.
Woo! Nigga, you gotta eat that. Woo.
Alright.
You not hungry right here?
I
That's a lot of food.
You went back to sleep. Oh my god. All they did is sleep and eat. And pee.
and be.
Yeah.
I'm not letting Nina know about that bird.
In it. He said it all loud. He's sleeping in it.
The food.
Yeah, the food.
You gotta be like, you need to put him in another container.
This is stressing me out.